Okay guys, I'm currently here at South Texas Votech in the city of Brownsville, a name trusted in the Rio Grande Valley. And if you haven't noticed, right behind me, there's some students working in the dental program. That's right, I'm here with Rosie, who is the program director for the dental program. Now Rosie, in 15 months, somebody's life could change. Tell me a little bit about what you offer here.
Yes, our 15-month program does give you the hands-on skills that you need. It does teach you some theory, but most importantly, the hands-on portion. You get to experience infection control, jurisprudence, you learn about radiology, and you also learn about patient care, dental emergencies, anything that's going to help you out in the field to get you workforce ready.
I want to talk about the certifications though, because that's something you mentioned to me, that when students leave this program, they're ready for the job.
Yes, they are ready workforce. They are actually going to be certified with the Texas State Board of Dental Examiners, and they're going to obtain their registered dental assisting license through them.
Now, Rosie, if somebody's interested in signing up or enrolling for this program, how can you do that?
Well, there's different options. First of all, come by and visit us. We're actually located, very centrally located in Brownsville. You can come by 1900 North Expressway, Suite O. You'll see our big sign outside. But most importantly, you're going to meet with our admissions representatives. You come talk to them. They will carry you through the whole process. They will let you know who the right people are going to be to talk to following them, which is going to be our financial aid department. They're very helpful. And then from there, you begin your journey the moment you walk in through the doors. So they can come visit us there. They can also look us up on the website at www.stvt.edu, or you can look us up, once you look us up on the web, you can look for our phone number as well.
Thank you so much, Rosie. And there's so much in store here at STVT, but we're going to hop next door to see what's next. And now we are right next door, and if you don't know where I'm at, look at these amazing and huge brakes. We're currently here in the CDL program, here with the program director, Armando, who's going to tell us a little bit more about how you could get your license in literally a month to 2 months. That is insane. Tell me a little bit about your program.
So our program here at STVT Brownsville, we're a career-focused program that it helps students get their license in less than a month, and it meets all state and federal requirements. We work alongside other companies like Swift Transportation and Spirit Truck Lines, and it helps them obtain their CDL. It is a 160-hour program. It's 40 hours in class and 120 on the range and behind the wheel. It focuses on safety, pre-trip, post-trip, and driving defensively.
Wow. Now, I have so many questions, Armando. The first one I want to know is demand high for truck drivers right now?
Absolutely, especially with all the regulations that are coming in currently. The demand is high for OTR, which is over the road, regional, and even local. With the industry ever so evolving and changing, there's always a high demand for that. There's a lot of opportunities.
Fantastic. Now, if somebody were interested in coming and signing up for this class, how could they do that?
So they would have to choose the CDL program and work with admissions. We have a director of admissions, Claudia Rodriguez, has a great team. They can reach out to them and they'll give you, help you select the program, and they'll give you information about it and what the procedure is. That way you know what you're getting into when you apply for this program.
Fantastic, Armando. And like I said, in a month to 2 months, your life could literally change. You could have your CDL. I'm even interested in signing up for this course. So you definitely want to visit stvt.edu if you're interested in getting your CDL. For Take 5, I'm Joe DeLeo.